In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and visibility are key to business success. Imagine if you could focus on what you do best while leaving the rest to experts. Here are 3 steps to grow your business effectively. Step 1. Outsource your business process. Outsource your business processes to trusted partners. By doing so, you can streamline your operations, reduce costs, and free up resources to focus on what truly matters, your core business. Step 2. Leverage digital marketing. In the digital age, your online presence is everything. With strategic digital marketing, from social media management and targeted ad campaigns to SEO and content creation, you can boost your brand visibility, engage with your audience, and drive more conversions. Step 3. Build a strong customer support system. A potential customer support system is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. Efficient support not only resolves issues quickly, but also enhances the overall customer experience, turning one-time buyers into loyal customers. To implement these 3 steps, this is where Afriam International comes in. Our business process outsourcing services streamline your operations with precision and care. But that's not all. We also offer comprehensive call center services, ensuring your customers receive the support they need when they need it. We provide virtual business incubation service, a unique service where we help nurture and grow your business in its early stages. As your business incubator, we provide resources, mentorship, and support to accelerate your success. We also supercharge your brand's online presence with our cutting-edge digital marketing services, from social media management to targeted ad campaigns, SEO, content creation, and even e-commerce solutions like building and maintaining any form of website. We elevate your brand, drive engagement, and increase conversions. Our experienced team know how to connect with your audience and build relationships that convert into loyal customers. Partner with us now. With Afriam International, your business will run smoothly, efficiently, and cost-effectively. Visit www.afriaminternational.com or send us an email at info@afriaminternational.com to try our services today.